Welcome to Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. In nature's embrace, healing whispers flow, where melodies of music gently bestow a soothing balm for wounds deep inside. As notes dance on the wind, our spirits abide. The rustling leaves, a symphony untold, serenading hearts with stories of old. In harmonies pure, worries find release, as nature's rhythm brings a sense of peace. Amidst this tapestry, furry friends abide, pets that offer solace, by our side. Their tender gaze, a language unspoken, a source of comfort when hearts are broken. And like sweet honey from a golden comb, nature's elixir, a healing balm, its nectar nourishing body and soul. A gift from bees, bringing wellness whole. So let us seek solace in nature's embrace, where music, pets, and honey find their place. For in their presence, healing gently unfolds, and whispers of nature bring stories untold. In order to foster a sense of quality of life and genuine well-being, it is essential to recognize the limitations of the pull yourself up by your bootstraps mentality, particularly in the face of significant trauma. Acknowledging the need for support and understanding that healing takes time is crucial for individuals who have experienced deep wounds. It is an unfair burden to expect individuals to navigate their trauma alone and in isolation. True healing requires acknowledging the presence of injury and actively seeking the necessary help and resources to digest, accept, and ultimately purge the pain that exists within. By valuing our own authenticity and recognizing the importance of collective support, we can create a society that uplifts and empowers individuals to reclaim their well-being and experience a truly fulfilling quality of life. When individuals are exposed to traumatic circumstances beyond their personal control, they may experience a range of symptoms that can significantly impact their well-being. These symptoms reflect the profound effects of trauma on individuals and highlight the need for a collective effort to address and mitigate its impact. Society must recognize that trauma can arise from various sources and extend its support to those who have undergone such experiences. Some common symptoms that individuals may experience in the aftermath of trauma include intense fear, anxiety, or a sense of helplessness. They may also exhibit signs of hypervigilance, constantly being on edge and easily startled. Sleep disturbances, such as insomnia or nightmares, are often prevalent, further exacerbating the distress. Individuals may also struggle with intrusive thoughts or memories of the traumatic event, leading to emotional distress and difficulty in concentrating or focusing on daily tasks. Additionally, trauma can disrupt social connections, leading to feelings of isolation or detachment from others. It is crucial for society to acknowledge these symptoms and provide the necessary support and resources to help individuals regain their sense of well-being and promote collective healing. Where do you get what you know from? Top 10 media companies in the United States, along with some basic information. 1. The Walt Disney Company. Headquarters, Burbank, California. Founded, October 16, 1923. Disney was originally founded as the Disney Brothers cartoon studio by Walt Disney and Roy O. Disney. 2. Comcast Corporation. Headquarters, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Founded, June 28, 1963. Comcast began as a single cable system operator and has grown to become one of the largest media and telecommunications companies. The Federal Communications Commission first established rules in 1965 for cable systems which received signals by microwave antennas. In 1966, the Commission established rules for all cable systems, whether or not served by microwave. The Supreme Court affirmed the Commission's jurisdiction over cable in United States v. Southwestern Cable Company, 392 U.S. 157, 1968. The court ruled that the Commission has reasonably concluded that regulatory authority over CAF is imperative if it is to perform with appropriate effectiveness certain of its responsibilities. The court found the commission needed authority over cable systems to assure the preservation of local broadcast service, and to effect an equitable distribution of broadcast services among the various regions of the country. 3. Time Warner Incorporated, now Warner Media. Headquarters, New York City, New York, founded March 4, 2003, as Time Warner Incorporated. Time Warner Incorporated was formed through the merger of Time Incorporated and Warner Communications. 4. Viacom CBS Incorporated. Headquarters, New York City, New York, founded December 31, 2005, as Viacom Incorporated. Viacom CBS was formed through the split of Viacom Incorporated into two separate companies, Viacom CBS and CBS Corporation, in 2005. 5. 21st Century Fox, now part of the Walt Disney Company. Headquarters, New York City, New York, founded June 28, 2013, as a separate entity from News Corporation. 21st Century Fox was formed as a spin-off from News Corporation, and it encompassed various media assets including film and television production studios. 6. Universal Media, LLC. Owned by Comcast Corporation, through Universal, they also own and operate over-the-air national broadcast network channels such as NBC, Telemundo, Telezitos, and Cozy TV, multiple cable-only channels such as MSNBC, CNBC, USA Network, Sci-Fi, Oxygen, Bravo, and E!, the film studio Universal Pictures, the VOD streaming service Peacock. Headquarters, New York City, New York. Founded April 15, 1926, as National Broadcasting Company. Universal is a subsidiary of Comcast Corporation and has a long history in broadcasting and media. 7. News Corporation, now Fox Corporation. Headquarters, New York City, New York. Founded June 28, 2013, as a separate entity from 21st Century Fox. News Corporation was formed as a spin-off from 21st Century Fox, and it primarily focused on newspaper and publishing assets. 8. Sony Corporation. Headquarters, Tokyo, Japan, with various offices and operations in the United States. Founded May 7, 1946. Sony Corporation is a Japanese multinational conglomerate with diverse business interests, including entertainment through its Sony Pictures division. 9. AT&T Incorporated. Headquarters, Dallas, Texas. Founded October 5, 1983, as Southwestern Bell Corporation. AT&T is a telecommunications conglomerate that expanded into media through its acquisition of Time Warner, now Warner Media. 10. Netflix Incorporated. Headquarters, Los Gatos, California. Founded August 29, 1997. Netflix began as a DVD rental by mail service and later transitioned into a streaming platform, revolutionizing the way people consume entertainment. Please note that the information provided is a general overview and may not include every detail about each company's history and development. For more comprehensive and up-to-date information, it is best to refer to official company sources and reputable news publications. As the top communication conglomerates continue to dominate the media landscape, their influence extends far and wide, shaping the way we consume information and entertainment. However, amidst their vast networks and corporate strategies, it is important to remember that what they sell, at the core, will always belong to the heart of the people: music. Music, with its universal language and emotive power, has the ability to transcend barriers and touch the deepest parts of our souls. It is a constant reminder that amid the business of communication, the true essence lies in the melodies, lyrics, and rhythms that resonate with us on a personal level. 10 ways to enjoy music. 1. Listen to your favorite songs. Create a playlist of your favorite songs and enjoy them whenever you want. Music can evoke emotions, bring back memories, and uplift your mood. 2. Explore new genres and artists. Step out of your musical comfort zone and discover new genres and artists. You might find hidden gems and expand your musical horizons. 3. Attend live concerts and performances. Experience the magic of live music by attending concerts, music festivals, or local performances. The energy and atmosphere of a live performance can be exhilarating and unforgettable. 4. Learn to play a musical instrument. Pick up a musical instrument and learn to play. Whether it's a guitar, piano, drums, or any other instrument, playing music can be a fulfilling and therapeutic activity. 5. Sing along. Don't be afraid to sing along to your favorite songs, whether you're alone in your room or with friends. Singing can be a joyful and liberating way to express yourself. 6. Dance to the rhythm. Move your body and dance to the rhythm of the music. Dancing not only promotes physical activity but also allows you to let loose and enjoy the music in a whole new way. 7. Create your own music, write songs, compose melodies, or create beats. Express your creativity and make your own music, even if it's just for your personal enjoyment. 8. Use music as background for activities. Play music while doing other activities, such as cooking, working out, or studying. It can enhance your focus, motivation, and enjoyment of the task at hand. 9. Share music with others. Share your favorite songs and playlists with friends, family, or even on social media. Music has the power to connect people and spark conversations. 10. Use music for relaxation and stress relief. Create a calming playlist or listen to soothing instrumental music to unwind, relax, and reduce stress. Music can be a powerful tool for self-care and emotional well-being. Remember, enjoying music is a personal experience, and there are countless ways to find joy and fulfillment through music. Explore what resonates with you and create your own unique musical journey. 10 highly inspirational R&B and rock songs that have made a significant impact. 1. Aretha Franklin, Queen of Soul. 2. Off the Wall by Michael Jackson. 3. What's Going On by Marvin Gaye. 4. Stevie Wonder, Songs in the Key of Life. 2. Bee Gees' Greatest Hits full album. 6. I Will Always Love You by Whitney Houston. 7. A Change Is Gonna Come by Sam Cooke. 8. Rise Up by Andra Day. 9. The Second Time Around by Shalimar. 10. Imagine by John Lennon. These songs have touched the hearts and souls of millions, inspiring hope, resilience, and unity. Each carries a powerful message that resonates with listeners across generations. 10 places where rescue dogs and cats can be found, along with organizations that work towards reuniting lost animals with their owners. Animal shelters. Local animal shelters provide a safe haven for rescued dogs and cats, offering them shelter, care, and the chance to find loving homes. Many shelters also have programs to reunite lost animals with their owners. Humane societies. Humane societies focus on promoting animal welfare and often have adoption centers where rescued animals are available for adoption. They may also offer services to help reunite lost pets with their owners. Rescue organizations. Various nonprofit rescue organizations specialize in rescuing and rehabilitating animals, including dogs and cats. They work tirelessly to find suitable homes for these animals and reunite lost pets with their families. Animal control agencies. Animal control agencies are responsible for handling stray and abandoned animals. They often have facilities where rescued animals are cared for and made available for adoption. Pet adoption events. Organizations and shelters frequently organize adoption events where rescued dogs and cats are showcased, allowing potential adopters to meet and interact with them. 6. Pet foster homes. Many rescue organizations rely on dedicated foster homes to provide temporary care for rescued animals until they can be placed in permanent homes. Pet foster homes play a crucial role in the rehabilitation and socialization of these animals. Online adoption platforms. There are online platforms and websites dedicated to pet adoption, where rescue organizations and individuals can post profiles of available dogs and cats for adoption. These platforms often facilitate the adoption process and help connect animals with their forever homes. 8. Lost and found pet services. Several nonprofit organizations operate lost and found services, both online and offline, where people can report lost or found animals. These services help reunite lost pets with their owners by matching descriptions and connecting them with the rightful guardians. Veterinary clinics. Veterinary clinics sometimes take in abandoned or lost animals and provide necessary care until they can be placed in loving homes or reunited with their owners. Pet rescue networks. There are regional and national networks that collaborate with shelters and rescue organizations to save and rehome animals. These networks play a vital role in connecting animals in need with potential adopters and reuniting lost pets with their families. These organizations and places work tirelessly to ensure the well-being of rescued animals and strive to reunite lost pets with their loved ones, ultimately creating a brighter future for both animals and humans alike. The music and media business generates significant profits, fueled by the collective contributions of people from various backgrounds. It is an industry that thrives on creativity, talent, and the consumption of entertainment. However, despite the immense wealth and success that the industry enjoys, there is often a lack of focus on addressing the trauma that it can inadvertently perpetuate. The power of music and media to influence emotions, shape narratives, and evoke deep personal responses is undeniable. Yet, there seems to be a disconnect when it comes to recognizing and addressing the potential harm and trauma that individuals may experience as a result. While the music and media business excels in captivating audiences and delivering compelling content, it has a responsibility to acknowledge the impact it can have on individuals and society. By integrating remedial remedies for trauma within their organizations, these businesses can foster a more compassionate and inclusive environment. This could include initiatives such as prioritizing mental health support for artists, implementing content guidelines that promote responsible storytelling, and investing in resources for trauma-informed practices. By acknowledging the power of their creations and actively working to mitigate the potential harm they may cause, the music and media industry can contribute to a more empathetic and supportive landscape, ensuring that the benefits of their artistry are enjoyed by all without neglecting the well-being of those involved. Much appreciation to you for giving of your time with us at Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. We trust you will come back soon.